Welcome to Explain the Charts, where today we are conducting an in-depth analysis of Tesla, ticker symbol Tesla. The current date is May 1st, 2026, and the stock is showing significant strength, trading up over 4% at approximately $397. Before we jump into the technicals, we must address the massive news flow driving this action. Tesla has officially entered mass production for its electric semi-truck, a milestone that the market has been waiting on for years. Additionally, the company has started production on the Cybercab, signaling that the robotaxi future is closer than many anticipated. Financial reports for Q1 have also outperformed expectations, with a non-GAAP EPS of 41 cents and revenue topping $22 billion. Despite a $173 million loss on cryptocurrency holdings, the market is focusing on the 21.1% GAAP gross margin. There are some governance concerns regarding $500 million in sales to Musk-linked companies like SpaceX and xAI, but the technicals are currently shrugging this off. Analysts are mixed, with targets ranging from as low as $24 to as high as $600, showing extreme disagreement on Tesla's valuation. However, the immediate trend is clearly influenced by Tesla's commitment to spend over $25 billion in capital expenditures for AI and manufacturing. We are seeing a strategic shift as Tesla collaborates with Intel on the Terafab project, utilizing 14A technology. This massive investment in AI infrastructure is a double-edged sword, burning billions but securing a technological lead. Looking at the daily chart, we can see the stock is recovering from a 52-week low of $271 set back in May of 2025. The 52-week high of $498 reached in late December 2025 remains the ultimate target for bulls. Today's price action represents a definitive attempt to reclaim the $400 psychological level. Let's look closer at the range from late 2025 through early 2026 to understand the current reversal structure. After hitting nearly $500 in December, the stock entered a cooling period as high capital expenditure concerns began to weigh on sentiment. We saw a series of lower highs and lower lows through January and February of 2026 as the market digested the $158 billion valuation of Musk's pay package. The support found near the $330 level in mid-February proved to be a critical floor for the stock. From that $330 base, we observed a steady accumulation phase as news of the semi-truck production began to leak. The daily candles in late March showed a significant increase in volume, suggesting institutional buying was stepping in. A major reversal occurred on April 15th when the stock surged on the Cybercab production announcement. Notice the long green candle on April 15th where price gapped up and closed near the daily high. This move confirmed that the short-term bearish trend from the December peak had been broken. The current consolidation between $370 and $390 is a healthy sign of a bull flag formation on the daily time frame. Support at $370 has held firm over the last week, even with broader market volatility. Resistance is currently clustered around the $410 to $420 zone, which acted as a stumbling block in late 2025. If Tesla can clear $410 on high volume, it opens the door for a retest of the $450 levels. The daily relative strength is trending upward, but is not yet in overbought territory, leaving room for more upside. Traders should note that the daily transactions have remained high, averaging over 1.5 million per day. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can see the microtrends that developed over the last 2 weeks. Focusing on the period starting April 13th, the stock was trading in a tight channel around $350. On April 15th, at 1300 hours Universal Time Coordinated, we see a massive spike in volume with over 10 million shares traded in a single hour. This pushed the price from $367 to over $390 in a very short window, confirming a news-driven breakout. Following that surge, the hourly candles show a period of stair-stepping higher, which is characteristic of strong momentum. The $388 level served as a temporary resistance point for several days after the initial spike. Every time the price dipped back toward $382, buyers aggressively stepped in, creating a series of higher lows. This 1-hour time frame highlights the importance of the $380 level as immediate short-term support. We can also see how the 1-hour chart reacts to the Intel collaboration news, with sustained volume during mid-April. The price action on April 17th showed another attempt to push higher, peaking at $406 before a brief retracement. This retracement back to $386 provided a classic, buy the dip, opportunity for momentum traders. The consolidation we see now at the end of April is tightening, which often precedes a major move. Bollinger Bands on the hourly chart would likely be contracting here, suggesting a volatility squeeze. The 1-hour chart's VWP has been consistently trending above the price for most of today's session. This suggests that the average buyer today is in a profitable position, which reduces immediate selling pressure. We are looking for a definitive hourly close above $400 to confirm the next leg up. Failure to hold $380 on this time frame would indicate a deeper retracement toward $365 might be necessary. However, the current angle of the ascent suggests bulls remain in control of the hourly trend. The transactions per hour are peaking during the Nasdaq Open, showing heavy involvement from US-based retail and institutional players. Keep a close eye on the volume during the final hour of trading for clues on tomorrow's direction. Now, let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart to analyze the price action over the last few days of April. Starting from April 27th, we can see the stock was testing the $375 support level quite frequently. There was a brief dip below $370 on April 27th at 13:29 Universal Time Coordinated, but it was quickly rejected, forming a bottoming tail. This quick rejection is a bullish signal, indicating that there is plenty of liquidity sitting just below the current range. Throughout April 28th and 29th, the stock ground higher from $372 to $383 in a very controlled manner. The 15-minute chart shows a lot of overlapping candles, which suggests a battle between buyers and sellers at these levels. On April 30th, we see a clear breakout attempt starting around 14:29 Universal Time Coordinated. The price moved from $370 to $384 in a steady climb throughout the afternoon session. This move was backed by consistent volume rather than a single large spike, which often indicates more sustainable buying. The stock ended the month of April on a high note, pushing into the $380s. Look at the very last candles of April 30th, where the price held steady near $381 despite end-of-day profit-taking. This strength at the close often leads to a gap up at the next day's open. The 15-minute support at $378 is now the primary level to watch for day traders. Resistance at $384 is the immediate hurdle that needs to be cleared for the run to $400. Short-term reversals have been shallow, which is a hallmark of a strong bull market for a stock like Tesla. Returning to the big picture on the daily chart, let's recap the key levels and the outlook for the rest of 2026. Our primary support levels are $370, followed by a much stronger structural floor at $340. On the resistance side, $410 is the gatekeeper. A breakout here likely triggers a fast move to $440. The ultimate resistance remains the all-time high zone near $500. In the short term, I am bullish as long as we stay above $380, with a 70% likelihood of testing $420 within the next month. The catalyst for this would be further confirmation of semi-truck delivery numbers and robotaxi regulatory progress. In the long term, the outlook depends heavily on Tesla's AI execution and the margins of the Cybercab. If Tesla can maintain a 20% plus gross margin while spending $25 billion on capex, the stock could easily see $600 by 2027. However, a bearish scenario would emerge if the stock fails to hold $340, which could lead to a retest of the $270 lows. The likelihood of a bearish breakdown currently sits at about 30%, mostly tied to macroeconomic risks like inflation or trade tariffs. Donald Trump's proposal to increase tariffs on EU vehicles could ironically benefit Tesla's domestic production in the US. Monitor the volume closely. We want to see expanding volume on up days to confirm institutional accumulation. Also, watch for news regarding the July/August Optimus robot production targets mentioned in recent guidance. If the humanoid robot segment shows real progress, it could be the black swan event that sends Tesla to new records. For now, the trend is your friend, and the trend is currently pointing upward. To trade this effectively, look for entries on 15-minute pullbacks to the VWAP or the hourly support levels. Be patient and wait for the $410 level to be reclaimed before going all in on a long-term position. Remember, volatility is high, so manage your risk and use stop losses to protect your capital. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts, and we will continue to track this story as it develops. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a professional before making any investment decisions.